Hello everyone. In this video, we will go through a few simple ways to clean your C drive in Windows 11. First, open the Start menu and type Storage Settings. Press Enter. You will see a breakdown of what is using space on your C drive. Turn on Storage Sense. This feature automatically deletes temporary files and items from the recycle bin after a while. You can also click on temporary files to review what can be safely removed. Check the boxes for things like system cache, delivery optimization files, and old Windows updates, then click Remove Files. Next, use the Disk Cleanup tool. Open the Start menu again, type Disk Cleanup, and choose your C drive. The tool will calculate how much space you can free. Select the files you want to delete, like temporary files and thumbnails, then confirm. If you click Clean Up System Files, you can remove even more, such as old Windows installation files. Another good step is to uninstall unused apps. Go back to Settings, then Apps, and choose Installed Apps. Look for programs you no longer use and click Uninstall. You can also move large files like videos or photos to an external drive or cloud storage. Finally, empty your recycle bin. Right-click the recycle bin icon on your desktop and select Empty Recycle Bin. These steps should help your computer run smoothly and keep your C drive from filling up too quickly. Thanks for watching.